that many of us sometimes get confused about what to do during the study breaks and end up spending our time, or rather wasting our time, on social media scrolling here or there. So here's what you should do instead. Start by setting a timer of 15 to 20 minutes or so, depending upon how long you want your study break to be. Then first off, check if you have anything left for tomorrow, or if you have any assignment tomorrow, so that you could complete anything that has to be done after the break. Nextly, pack your bags for the next day of school, or just in case if you're doing online classes, then you can keep the books ready which are going to be done in the next day. Then number 3, put aside all of the books and copies that you're done reading for the day, so that you can have a cleaner desk when you get back to work. Number 4, create a to-do list for the next day, just a rough one, so that you can have an idea about how the next day is going to look like. Number 5, check if there's an important message for you, but make sure that you do not get into any scroll hole. Number 6, stretch out a little, like stretch your hands and legs and back, so that your body parts feel a little bit more in motion. And because if you're sitting too long at the same place, and it just feels truly stuck, and it's just like not very pleasant to be sitting at the same place for too long when your hands and legs are paining and you have to study for 2-3 more hours. So it's better to have some motion, like, yeah. Number 7, drink some water and eat some snacks if necessary, or you can just choose to drink some tea or water if that's your choice. Number 8, close your eyes, sit quietly for some time, relax your mind and body, and play some healing or relaxing music if needed, because I think it's really very important to cool yourself down from all of the rush that you get into while you're studying, or any kind of stress that might be happening during the studies as well. So you should play some music or something if that's your choice, and just rest for a bit. Calm down, rest down, and then start off with a cleaner mind. Then your alarm might just start ringing by now, because it's been quite a time. So get back to work with some fresh and clean mind. So if this video has been helpful to you thus far, then make sure to give it a like. And next week I'm going to share all of the things or some tips about what you should do after you've finished your study time, like a little maybe nighttime routine type of thing. So if you're interested, then make sure to subscribe and also ring the bell next to it to be notified every Saturday at 5:30 p.m. IST with some student life craziness. And also, I think you might just need some help with how to create a to-do list, although you might just find a lot of videos on YouTube. But if you want to know mine, then please make sure to leave it in the comments, because I would love to make one, and like, maybe, why not? Just in case you wanted to know something about me, then I'm AtrayeeSantra, a 14-year-old student and a YouTuber who loves making student life videos on YouTube, and also some vlogs on my other channel. You can also check out my vlog channel, or like more so a channel which does not have a niche. It's like a random channel where I hang out with you all. It's called AtrayeeSantra, Girl with No Niche, and this channel is called Student Life Ideas, the best place for students to discuss about their lives and any other student life-ish stuff. So if you're interested, then you're always welcome to subscribe down below. Question of the day: how many hours do you study in a day, and how many breaks do you take in them? I would really love to know. And for me, if you would even ask me, I would say I study for 3 hours at least, as I have planned, and as well like 2-3 breaks of 10 to 15 minutes each. See you in the comments. If you haven't watched last week's video about how many hours to study as a 9th standard student, then you should definitely check it out here, because I'll be leaving it for you so that you can watch it. And of course, like, why not? So you can watch that right now. Till then, stay happy, motivated, grateful, stay organized, everything like that. So bye.